Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing some NYX or NYX products, however you want to pronounce it. I always say NYX, so if I'm saying it throughout this whole video and I'm annoying you, correct me and comment what the correct pronunciation is. If it's NYX or NYX, I prefer saying NYX, but correct me if I'm wrong. So, I am going to be trying out the new NYX primer, the Hydratouch Primer, which, if you want to see exactly how it is, keep watching. I'm going to be testing out the NYX foundation, which is the Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation. If you want to see what I thought of it, then keep on watching. I will be finally testing and trying the Powder Puff liquid lipstick on my lip right now, so if you want to see exactly how that performed and how it is, then keep on watching. What I want you to do first is I want you to like this video, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video and I want you to watch till the end. Okay guys, so I'm just going to get straight into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is the new NYX Hydratouch Primer. So one thing, I don't actually think I've used NYX before. Like, I've always seen their products and thought they're like affordable and good quality, but I've never actually just gotten around to using them. I remember I wanted to try the lipsticks ages ago, but I just kept going, and then the shades were always sold out, so I just left it, and I finally got around to trying it. So this is what it looks like. This primer is said to enhance your complexion. Our primer is infused with chamomile green tea to create the perfect canvas and give your skin a radiant boost. So I've not used this, literally I've just opened it, so we're going to use it and see how it applies and also see how it feels. As you'll see as well, I didn't get like a palette from, I keep calling them NYX. Is it NYX or is it NYX or NYX? I always say NYX, I always have. I just find that is so much easier to say than NYX, but I don't have an eyeshadow palette, so I've just done my eyes before going in with this primer. I don't know how much to put on. I don't know if that's slightly too much. Oh, this is literally gliding on. It smells like aftershave or like men's shaving balm. You know how you get the Nivea shaving balm? It smells a little bit like that. Or like aftershave. It's quite nice, it's not too strong. Now I think I maybe put a little bit too much on, but this is feeling like really hydrating. I quickly like put moisturiser on before, but my face was starting to feel like a little bit drying, but this is literally just sinking in and feeling really nice. It's like drying in really nicely as well. It just feels like a little bit sticky, which I suppose is good because hopefully the foundation applies nicely, but it does feel really nice. Now that this part is dried, it has went a little bit tacky, which I suppose is good because we're going to see how it works with the foundation now. Apparently this primer is supposed to be really, really good with the foundation, so we're going to put that to the test. So the foundation that I'm going to go in with is the NYX or NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation. And the shade that I got was Caramel. You know when you're like shopping for makeup and you're kind of in a rush? Like, so I went into town and I was shopping, but then I only put so much money in for like an hour, and I was like, I know this isn't going to be enough, but I'll just rush about and I'll make time. And then I was in Boots, and I was like, right, okay, I'll quickly match myself. So I put different shades on my face, and then I was like, okay, I think this is the shade. Then I was like, wait, no, I think that might be the shade. And then I was like, wait, no, I think this and that might be the shades, maybe mix them together. And then I was like, okay, I'll just make a decision and I'll pick one. So I picked this one, and I think it might be a little bit too dark, but let's hope for the best. Okay, that's definitely too dark. We're gonna put it on anyway, and we're gonna blend it out because we can easily brighten. So I hope. This is the first time I've used this foundation as well. Okay. Do you know what? I don't think it's too bad. I do think it's a little bit reddy orange undertone for me. I am more warm golden undertoned, but the shade isn't too bad. I do like how it's covered. Like, I would say it is pretty full coverage. Not full coverage actually, no, I'd say it's medium coverage, but it's very easy to blend out. It feels very nice on the skin as well. It doesn't feel too drying. And yeah, it actually feels really nice. It's quite nice coverage. Now to conceal. Okay, so now to bronze a little. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I actually got this as a tester when I was shopping in town, and I thought, why not try it out today? And now, just to powder up a little bit, I'm just going to go in with the Hourglass Veil Powder. Okay, so face is also set. The next thing that I need to go in with by NYX is the new Worth the Hype mascara. This mascara kind of says it in the name, Worth the Hype. Is it worth the hype? Is it gonna be worth the hype? Is it gonna be good? Well, we're about to find out. So this is what the mascara looks like. Okay, let's see. The brush is pretty big. At the moment I can't really see it doing much. Okay, so it's not really lengthening my lashes, it is thickening them, but it's not lengthening them that much. I mean, it's lengthened them slightly and curled them as well, but it's not done it like overly... It's not done it like a lot. Okay, it's definitely lengthened my bottom lashes way more than my top lashes. Okay, so eyes complete. I'm not too sure about the mascara. I'm going to come closer and show you guys once I've finished the final look. The next thing that I got from NYX, NYX, whatever, Powder Puff Lippy. Now, these came out and I don't think they expected them to do as well as what they did because they have been sold out for weeks. I went in today and I finally got to get them, but they have literally been sold out for a long time. The two shades that I got are Moody and Cool Intentions. I think just with the look that I've created, I'm going to go in with Cool Intentions. I think that this one will work. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I love the packaging, and when you open it as well, it's like a little, it's so different, I haven't seen this before. It's like a little, I don't know how to describe that, like a beauty blender kind of thing on top, and you literally just squeeze the product out. If you have the Maybelline concealer, the one that you like twirl and it comes out of the little sponge at the top, it's exactly like that, except you squeeze it and it comes out. So that's it coming out now. I do love the look of this shade. It literally feels so soft, and it's really easy to apply as well. Actually, it's really easy. I love how this lipstick feels. It's almost dry, and it literally feels like so soft. It feels really nice on the lips. It's not drying. It doesn't feel like it's drying my lips out or anything at all. It just feels really nice. So that is like all the products that I got from NYX, and that helped me do this testing video. I'm going to quickly go away, add some highlight, come back and tell you my final thoughts. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've literally just added some highlight and fixed my hair a little bit, but I am loving these products. I think that the foundation, it feels really comfortable. It's not like, it feels really nice on. It feels really comfortable. It doesn't feel too thick. It's not too heavy. It's really nice on. The mascara, Like I said, I'm not too sure about the mascara. I do quite like it, but it isn't lengthening. I prefer mascaras that are quite lengthening, whereas this one's more thickening. As for the lipstick, I am literally in love. This feels so soft. It's unreal how soft this feels. It feels so nice and I'm loving it. I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have enjoyed this makeup look. If you have, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.